Yes, आप
Good afternoon, everyone. Yes.
Sorry for the delay in the session as our esteemed speaker is not able to join. So we will wait for another 2 to 5 minutes.
Hello, Ashish.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
I'm ready, please. Because
Okay,
I
sir.
was engaged in some other, as you understand. Now I'm ready.
Right, sir. Yeah. Hello, Prerna. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Good
Yeah.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Prerna.
Yeah, you can start then.
Okay, sir. Innovation. Any new idea by definition will not be accepted at first. It takes repeated attempts, endless demonstrations, monotonous rehearsals before innovation can be accepted and internalized by an organization. This requires courageous patience. A warm welcome to everyone. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I am Prerna Jain. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of entire College of Computing Sciences and Information Technology. We all are gathered here for an online orientation session on innovation. This session is organized by Institute Innovation Council of CCS IT as a part of various innovative activities conducted for students and faculties. This session is based on the new age technologies adopted by the various corporates around the world. The main objective of this session is to shed lights on the innovations. So, to carry on with the event, I would like to invite a man of distinct vision and fountainhead of illuminating ideas, the dynamic principal of CCS IT, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Dwivedi, to address the session.
Thank you, Prerna. First of all, good afternoon, everybody. I would like to welcome Professor Ramesh Chandra Panda, Dean Research and Development Cell, Sai Energy Institute of Engineering and Technology. This institution is situated in Odisha. So I welcome you, sir. Further, the today's basically orientation session. This is the orientation session on innovation by Innovation Ambassador. Friends, this is one of the finest initiative of Institution Innovation Council of CCS IT to organize such kind of valuable session, because as of now, any research basically, what I can say is known by the commercial value. How any research can be ably generating money. So any innovation, because India is lacking somehow somewhere in this innovation practices, either that kind of dynamics we don't have. So by these initiatives, we would like to inject this process amongst the young and fertile minds, so that they can think like in innovative way. And academics has to take shift, because industry is also not accepting academia, because they say that students are not knowing and not having cognitive skills, not having the creative skills. Friends, job market is also shifting from qualification based to skill based, and to stay relevant, you have to shape yourself or you have to ship out. So one needs to be a lifelong learner because if you want to succeed, you want to survive, you must have a something different. And how your imagination, you are with the help of engineering and technology, how you are transforming your imagination. So this is, I think, perfect prescription for nowadays to succeed. And to motivate our young graduates, Professor Panda is with us. He will certainly mentioning the vital ingredient to enrich all of us by his thought. So today's session is for Dr. Panda, and I am thankful to Ashish Vishnoi ji, who is IIC for CCSI, Deep Kumar, Dr. R.P. Pandey, and my worthy students who is having a thrust to succeed. So thank you one and all, my best wishes. Prerna, over to you, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for being the part of this event and addressing us with your valuable words. We are honored to have you among us. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having one of them here today. Professor Ramesh Chandra Panda, professional with a distinguished career of over 14 years of industrial and academic experience, providing educational, instruction, engineering projects, and training solutions to individuals. A research guide of 6 international UGC CARE listed and Scorpius Index journals. Authored 12 textbooks named Industrial People Management and Joy of Engineering and Management. Interdisciplinary bridging gap between education and industry requirements. Professor Panda accepted 28 research papers and published 78 research patents. Research copyright under Intellectual Property Right of India and indexed at WIPO, Switzerland. Professor Ramesh Chandra Panda granted 6 Australian patents and filed more than 15 Australian innovation patents. To establish himself in the field of education, he utilized his skills and experience to help students to achieve high improvements in career. Self-directed, enthusiastic educator with a passionate commitment to institute development and the learning experience. Skilled in the design of challenging, enriching, and innovative activities that address the diverse interests and needs of students. To work in a growth environment, organization with sincerity and work pay. We are extremely delighted to have Mr. Professor Ramesh Chandra Panda with us. And I would like to request sir to please enlighten us with his valuable words. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Kindly play my PPTs. My hearty gratitude to Professor Rakesh Kumar Dwivedi, sir. Very good afternoon, sir. Ashish, sir. Dr. Rajdeep, sir. Rajendra, sir. This side, Professor Ramesh.
Good afternoon, Dr. Panda.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Question is, why industry never believe on trends of academics running these days in universities and institutes? We can't blame our students. We can't blame the systems. Faculty, teachers, mentees, they are the pillars of organizations. We need to boost ourselves first. I do understand as a professor and mentees of students of Synergy Institute of Engineering and Technology. I always try to boost myself. Before being a teacher, I always try to be a good student first, learning within me. I'm a good learner. You can't believe within 2.5 years time, I owned all the practices of new technologies like 3D printing, 3D plastic printing, 3D metal printing, artificial intelligence. Being a mechanical guy, I proved myself best into Python programming, robotics and robotic process automations. Now I'm able to program all sort of DC integrations using Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Children's always they are places means like your pulp. Being a teacher, being a mentor, we supposed to give all the time parental guidance. It's our work to boost up ourselves and play the rhythms and flows. How we can motivate our students to learn and grow. Thank you. COVID is a challenge. Everybody declared through newspaper, televisions, radio jockeys. Everywhere you can find people facing difficulties.
मध्य में बिकी ये गाड़ी ये जब जो जल्दी से हमें लेको गाओ.
Now the thing is, those people consider these difficulties as opportunities. They succeed in their life. You can find through this COVID time, people invested best, starting from student, professors, innovators, incubation house, startups, everybody invested. You'll be surprised. One of guy from lovely professional university, he destroyed the monopoly of your healthcare industries by bringing one innovation called one cost-effective ventilators for the societal implements at cost of 250 rupees. People invested best into remote communications, online delivery, robotic appliances into healthcare units, healthcare development in terms of long distance health monitoring system. You can find one of my best innovation into 5G based optimized controlled humanoid robot with IoT based handheld ECG machine effective for intensive care units. Nowadays, and professors, we are collaborated with KIMS Medical College and SCB Medical College for some medical innovations, like your cost-effective thermal matrices to avoid hypothermia for neonatal patient or premature delivers, remote assisted one compact device that can helpful for jaundice treatment, oromotor simulations. It's a compact small device with electromagnetic vibrator to develop genes of newborn babies or premature deliver to bring proper coordination of suck and swallow of mother breastfeedings, sterilized laminar flow workstation for neonatal intensive care units with Sarvajani College of Engineering and Management, Gujarat. We are working with deep learning. We are developing one compact device for easy detection of newborn skin diseases like milia, ringworms, hepatitis, thyroids using Python, similar indexing programmings. Apart from these medical innovations, I put my effort best into sustainable practices, how our engineering technology can be integral part of farming industries through 2-3 innovations called IoT-based sustainable organic fertilizer machines, clay cool refrigeration system, disinfectant sanitizer tunnels, cost-effective socially implement ventilators. For all innovation, we filed utility patent under intellectual property right, Government of India. IPR cell is flexible for 5 different things. Number 1, you may go for any utility patent, design patents, industrial design patents, research copyrights, geographical indications, or trademarks. I already published more than 12 books. More than 1,500 professors across the globe connected together to form 3 potential books for students. One is your Joy of Engineering and Management. We are running with volume 7. Industrial People Management, we are running with volume 7. And interdisciplinary bridging gap between education and industry requirement, we are running with volume 7. We filed more than 100 patents together, 78 Indian resource copyrights, industrial design patents and utility patent under IP India, more than 25 number of innovation patents under Intellectual Property Australia, and we granted more than 12 patents together. Through the journey, I understood to understand real-time problem statement faced by the society, and I motivate best my student, my professors, my fellow faculties, my connections, my social media friends even, to learn, to grow, to implement, to achieve through research and innovations together. Next slide, please. Here I can showcase few students' innovation at Synergy Institute of Engineering and Technologies. We are running 2 more colleges here at Odisha. One college at Bhubaneswar and one more college at Dhenkanal. Fortunately, I am taking care of research and development wings. My objective always how my connections, my friends, my faculties, my students, my well-wishers, parental guidings, all together, we can learn, we can grow, and we can achieve. Sustainable solar assisted all natural clay cool refrigeration system. It's a mitti cool refrigeration using some sustainable approach like your solar panel, DC motor, one inverter, one battery, and few scientific integrations. We'll discuss about it. IoT-based sustainable manufacturing of organic fertilizer machine. Earlier, we developed its ideations. Now with City University, we filed one innovation patent for organic manufacturing fertilizer machine. As you know, agriculture is the biggest human industry. How we all put our effort best with technical integrations or technological invention based to develop the productivity and yield of the farming sectors. ARO water, it's a humidity dependent drinking water extractions method from atmosphere. As I already discussed about, 5G based optimized controlled humanoid robot with IoT based handled mobile ECG, effective for intensive care units. It can be showcased for youngsters how to integrate all the technologies together, like your 5G, Internet of Things, humanoid robotics, and ECG parameters with 12 numbers of sensor integration to understand human health conditionings, wind powered IoT based sustainable organic compost machine. It's giving a propagation, learning propagation for youngsters to learn about sustainable approaches using solar panel, wind tunnels, tidal energy, formulation and preparation of alcohol-free herbal sanitizers. eVidyalaya, it's a portal empowering virtual classroom, a platform designed for online teaching and training over internet like a Zoom and Google Meet. Smart carbonless cooking gasifier. For this innovation, we earned the best prototype award to avoid the bronchitis. More than 6 lakh to 7 lakh women here in India dying due to bronchitis disease. So we formulated, we designed, we fabricated the mechanisms. Also, KCU. IoT-based cost-effective smart sustainable water purifier and adopting, researching innovative treatment for hospital wastewater and detecting COVID infections. Are few student empowered innovations at Synergy Institute of Engineering and Technologies. For every innovation, we file the patents. We try to achieve the Indian research copyrights and design patents. If you think about patents, patent is the highest form of research. When you will enrich yourself based into engineering, technologies, applications, you can come rise with a novel innovation product. Government of India, MSME, startups, Government of India, always empowering students, faculty through reimbursements. If you are filing an Indian patent, there is a scheme running under startup Government of India. You can reimburse up to 1 lakh rupees for filing of patents. If it is a international patent, provision of 5 lakh rupees reimbursement. If you talk about patents, you need to achieve novelty, what is the newness, and how your innovation is different from others through prior art of developments. You have to define its objective and outcomes with respect to feasibility and experimental validation of your innovations. Claims. You need to define its claims, what sort of technologies, component with its complete specification required to develop the innovations. Last not the least, description with one well-demonstrated diagram. That's the minimum required of an innovation patent. I hope we all are aware about it. Few people speak innovation, it's all about bringing new, something new, right? But with my knowledge based, expertise based, if we can bring any kind of sustainable modification with respect of reliability, even if aesthetics, right? How come we reduce the cost of the product? That is the best approach of research. You can say also, you can define yourself as an innovation, right? Next. indigenous thermal matrices to prevent neonatal hypothermia. It's a practice happened at KIMS Medical College, Bhubaneswar. KIMS holding biggest ICU here in South Asia. 120 seated bed. My brother is there as head of department, Dr. Santosh Panda. Under his guidance, we developed this innovation exactly. Next slide, please. Next. Thank you. Here you can find two equipments. Left side one is open heart system. Right one is a closed heart system. And the minimum cost of product at India Mart, you can find not less than 6 lakh rupees for open heart. With a digital display of closed heart system, product price is 12 lakh rupees. And what is the objective of this equipment for what you are using? To sustain, maintain temperature ranging between 36.5 degrees centigrade to 37.5 degrees centigrade. Now I will illustrate you one innovation, how to understand the problem statement and how we may focus or you create one infrastructure to develop one innovations. Just think about one baby, small baby, newborn baby or premature delivery inside a mother womb. The exact temperature supposed to maintain inside mother womb is 36.5 degrees centigrade to 37.5 degrees centigrade. But when baby come outside, he or she not able to cope up with atmospheric temperature because it's fluctuating all the time. Sometime 5 degree, sometime 50 degree, sometime 25, sometime 35. So it's very difficult for newborn baby to cope up with atmospheric conditionings, which leads to hypothermia. And what the consequence? Baby may go for coma or side paralysis. Problem statement is 21% of newborn babies or premature deliver here in India dies due to hypothermia. It's a studies. World Health Organization. You can find the literature review. You can find few research paper, experimental research papers, analytical research paper also. Not less than 21%, means out of 100, 21% of newborn babies dies due to hypothermia. During transportation from hospital to household, improper health education, improper caring of babies, this accident happens. Problem statement is per day expenses of ICUs not less than 15,000 rupees. Now think of a person who is earning 20,000 rupees per day, per month. It's very difficult to manage all the expenses together to keep the baby starting from, early birth to 10 days, 15 days into ICUs. So to avoid all these expenses, we developed one indigenous innovation, that is your cost-effective thermal matrices to avoid hypothermia for neonatal or premature deliver patients. Next slide, please. Here you can find we designed and fabricated this indigenous innovation with 0.5 mm gauge copper wires, insulating coverings, auto temperature control sensors. We designed and fabricated the cascade for this innovation using 3D printing machine. I'm a 3D printing expert. And 2 layers of thermal matrices. Next. Here you can find this innovation at cost of 650 rupees. If you are interested for artificial intelligence integrations, with reuse and rechargeable battery, the highest cost engagement will be 900 rupees. Now you can compare where the cost engagement of ranging cost starting from 6 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees of ICU facilities, and this indigenous innovation cost of 900 rupees maximum. This product specify and achieve all the target outcomes. The temperature ranging between 36.5 to 37.5 degrees centigrade. Cost effective, reliable for all users, handy, transportable, easily manufacturable, and aesthetic wise, it is so charming. Everybody love to buy it. Now with KIMS Medical College, we are working for its startups, and SCB Medical College also. More than 37 number of doctors now promoting these indigenous innovations here at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. For this innovation, we filed one Australian innovation patent we granted, and we achieved one Indian research copyrights. For scientific validations, we came across more than 12 number of doctors from KIMS Medical College. Lab experimentation report we produce. We publish a research paper for the same event. Next. Ma'am, please come to first slide. One robot is there. Back. One slide back. Yes. IoT-based solar-assisted sustainable digital farming robot for spraying, seeding, harvesting, and monitoring. As you already discussed, that farming is the biggest human industry here in India. We supposed to implement or integrate cloud monitoring system, sensor integrations, automatic visualization system, one-touch operation system to help our farmer to improve its productivity and yield of farming. Keeping on this view, when I was a professor for Lingyaz University, Faridabad, New Delhi, with few IB Tech students, we developed this innovation called ROBA, digital farming robot, with 21 different type of sensors to understand soil conditionings, atmospheric monitoring systems, automatic spraying, or you can say irrigation system. Visual display is there. And we enlarged the long range accessibility of this innovation using one LoRa device. For this innovation, we filed one patent. We granted one patent actually, and Indian research copyright. Next. Cost-effective water filtration using industrial fly ash waste. Now, Government of India, state governments, DST, METI, IIC Chambers, Startup India, Technology Development Board, Product Development Board, everybody putting effort based on industrial waste. How you can reuse and recycle the waste we are generating as a byproducts. Now I'm working on a incinerator with Dr. Tarun sir from MBN University. We are working on a incinerator which is IoT operated. With some sustainable practices, we are developing one compact device which works on the convex lens focal appliances for biomedical and medical wastage. I think day before yesterday, we shared in social media about the challenges. Do remember always, before going for an innovation, what's supposed to be your first and prime work or homework you need to do? Go for some literature review and try to find its challenges first. With respect to challenge based, you formulate, design, and fabricate your innovation. Cost effective water filtration using industrial flyovers. It's a sustainable innovation by fourth year mechanical student, Synergy Institute of Engineering and Technologies. By taking percentage of weight, say you were 60% of your fly ash together, 20% by weight of your binder, we consider bentonite as a binder element, and 20% by weight of your water. We mix together inside a bowl, then put the mixture inside a mold, hammered it to bring the compactness, allows to keep inside a furnace, electric furnace, for 30 minutes, ranging temperature between 600 degrees centigrade to 650 degrees centigrade. And here you can see the cartridge, water filter cartridge I'm holding together with sufficient number of porosity to filter water. For this innovation, we filed one Australian innovation patent, we granted it. Indian research copyright, we granted it. Learning outcome, learning propagations for the young generation is the first breath of innovation supposed to be. Whatever practice we are doing together, whatever learning happening within us, it's supposed to propagate. I used to share all of my patents, drafted patents among all our students, professors, institute under BP Odisha. More than 200 colleges are there. I used to flow the mail. Next slide, please. Next. Sustainable manufacturing process of eco-friendly 3D printing filament. Now AICT, UGC, NAC, NBA, ISO, every accreditation putting effort based how students and faculty together can learn new technologies. Say your 3D printing, machine learning, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robotic process. Nowadays, you can find the practice of printing of plastics and metals. Here nearby place one MSME there, Central Tool Room Training Center, Bhubaneswar. They could do with plastic printing and 3D metal printing using sintering process. So far, no company, no innovators, no incubation house or startup here in India focused on your time-dependent biodegradable type of filaments. You can find polylactic acid fermentation methods, FDM, or metal printing using your titanium. But no company here in India or foreign, they fabricated biodegradable type of filament manufacturing methodologies for 3D printings. With few professors from NIT, one second year mechanical student from Andhra, Mr. Aluri Manoja. I do appreciate his value. With 4 steps, we designed the methodology to fabricate time dependent. It's not completely biodegradable one with my knowledge based. That's why I declared you. It's a time dependent biodegradable fermentation method of manufacturing of 3D printing filaments using hydrolysis and polylactic fermentation method. We designed 4 different ways how we can prepare sustainable filament, biodegradable filament using seaweed. Seaweed is a plant-based water plant. So using PLA and fermentations method, polylactic fermentation method, this process happened. We filed one patent for the same. Next. 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 Machine learning based automated guided self-sustaining hybrid e-vehicle. Now young generations, new masses, very excited to learn about electrical vehicles. Even I purchased one, right? Still we're completely depend on direct charging of battery to run our vehicle. Few professors of our college, senior professors and student groups, lab assistant, we worked on regenerative approach of electrical vehicle. We try to bring one, self-sustainable auto charging electrical vehicle concept, charging concept. What exactly we did? We considered, even if we designed, we try to bring its mathematical formulations using all input parameter like your number of revolution per minute of your wheels, speed, voltage required, current required. What we considered that the front axle of electrical vehicle is the integral part of your DC generator. As you all are aware about it, the DC generator comprised of 2 parts. One is your core and second one is your casing. When core will rotate, flux exchange will be there, EMF will produce. The produced electricity will store in secondary battery. So moreover, this electrical vehicle is fitted with two more batteries. When first battery will run the vehicle, on the same time, the core integral part of front axle will rotate. It will produce electricity and it will store in secondary battery. We all aware about it, that conservation of energy. Few people may question, sir, how this may possible? Conservation of energy is the total energy of system supposed to be constant. If suppose you are giving 100% power, it's supposed to come rise as 100% power outputs with some, if it is not 100%, some percentage of output with some losses. But experimentally and theoretically, mathematically, we proved it. The total output of the system is not less than 1.25% of input given to electrical vehicles. If you are integrating DC generator or core is the integral part of front axle of the wheel, then the output we generate not less than 1.25% of input given to the electrical vehicle. So it's a proposed innovation and plan to file a patent for the same. Next. Next. self-cleaning and germ-killing revolving public toilet for COVID-19. For this, we granted one innovation patent together. Next, sustainable greenhouse for crops and drying of herbal medicine and plants. We granted one industrial design patent, Australian innovation patent, and Indian research copyright for the same. Next. Arogya Odisha, empowering telemedicine. A group of social activist doctors from Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, SAMS Medical College, SCB Medical College, KIMS Medical College, and one professor from Moradabad. We designed and prepared one mobile app which will be helpful for health education and health consulting for deprived society. At single button, single click, you can generate the bills, diagnosis report, prescriptions, or direct consulting with choice doctors. For this innovation, we filed one Indian research copyright, we granted it, and one examination, FER, first examination report under process under intellectual property right, Government of India. Let me tell you a few points, and it's all about innovations, and I hopefully it will be one, right guidance. And give me 1 minute, please. Let me read the things. Right. Effectiveness of every innovation measure with respect to these are the common points I used to consider before filing of patent drafts: social benefits and impact. If suppose you are coming with one innovation, how it will face social problem statements, and through your intellect, education, scientific approaches, it will solve somehow the problem statement. That's supposed to be the brightest part of your innovation. Second is, how come we can reduce the cost of the product with respect to existing types? Reduction of cost or cost reduction approach is the best feasible part of innovation through research consulting. We may take care about it by anyhow, may by some sustainable modification or scientific approach or technological integrations. We supposed to think about it. Learning propagation or transformation of knowledge for young generations. What the thing you are coming together, how it will transform to your student, faculties, connections, novelty. What is the newness of your innovations? Or how come your innovation is different from others? Innovative marketing strategy and incubation development time frame analysis. The best part of any sustainable innovation is how you put your effort best to develop the conceptual idea into realistic product development. When you are coming with any innovation, you always try to focus the compactness and portable design of innovations, built-in time process. Try to make it one button operation, hold the gap or bridge the gap between simple physical test kit and professional instrumentations through any scientific validations, accurate, precise result equivalent to automatic apparatus, storage maximum test results, portable operated by battery, which is part of your sustainable approaches, minimum training required, easy to use large scale, quick data transfer by USB ports, and PC interface. These are the part of your appreciable strategical innovation, or you can say these points we're supposed to remember and need to reflect with our patent drafts, or before making any kind of design or realistic, prototype development. We need to consider these points for better feasibility of your innovations. Next slide, please. Actually, I'm having one meeting today, 5 o'clock. Next slide, please. Robotic
Yes.
automated patient carrier for operation theater. Here we integrated automated guided vehicle mechanisms using one magnetic strips. Conventional mechanical practices, use of your screw jack to lift up the mechanisms. Sensor integration to understand the barriers. Digital display with 12 different type of sensors together to understand patient conditionings. Cost effective at cost of 35,000. You can fabricate this innovation. For same product specification, the minimum cost engagement of robotic assisted stretchers or automated stretcher in India Mart, not less than 4.5 lakh rupees. So for this innovation, we filed one utility patent under intellectual property right, Government of India. We are about to grant one industrial design patents. We already received its examination form. We granted one Indian research copyright for the same. May question arise, sir, what's the difference between patent and research copyright? Patent is all about to bring scientific validation of your innovations through any experimentation or lab reports or sustainable compactations of your integral parts together through examination procedures. That's all about patent. If you talk about Indian research copyright, copyright means taking the ownership of the innovation. That is called Indian research copyright. Indian procedures always time taken, long time recurring process. With Rajdeep sir, we filed 2 more patents before 6.5 or 7 months back. We received its first publications. Publication means reflection of contents. That's it. There is no credibility to publish patents. Credibility to stand for examinations report and to arrange a patent grant, which will enable your academic credential up to 20 APA scores. As I already told you, Indian process always long time recurring process. It takes minimum 3.5 months time for patent grant. And the same time, if you go for international patent, say Australian patent, same examinations were there. We need to submit the queries raised by the first examinations report, FAR submissions. And we may arrange the grant within 3.5 months time with better feasibility with much more academic credentials. Sir, it's already 5 o'clock. Actually, I have another webinar and meeting with fellow professors and faculties here
No
at
problem.
one college at
No
one
problem,
place.
sir. You can conclude it.
Any questions? Any question, please? You may raise.
Yeah. Any questions from the participants?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, please.
I think, sir, there is no question from the participant. So, yeah, Prerna, you can come.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am stopping sharing your, sorry, I am closing your slide presentation. Yeah, Prerna, start.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for being the part of this event and addressing us with your valuable words. I'm pretty sure the knowledge that sir gave us will definitely help us in our future. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record a hearty thanks to our guests, Professor Ramesh Chandra Panda, for taking out time from his busy schedule and enlightening us with his knowledge. Today's session gave deep insights into the topic and also revealed some of the interesting facts. I would also like to thank Dr. Rakesh Kumar Dwivedi for his guidance and enormous cooperation in the organization of this event. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated organizers. A great thanks to all the organizing members for their involvement and willingness to take on the completion of the task beyond their comfort zones. I take this occurrence to thank the entire committee as well as all the participants for being the part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Prerna. या सर्टिफिकेट लिंक पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए ऑलरेडी चैट बॉक्स में मैंने पेस्ट कर दिया है. यू कैन गेट योर सर्टिफिकेट्स फ्रॉम देयर and it will be active for next 1 hour. So I am waiting for next 5 minutes before closing the session. So
Mr. Chirag Jain.
each and everyone can copy that particular link. Okay, thank you. And once you get the certificate, you can leave the call. As well as while entering the details, please enter your email ID in right format. Otherwise, you are not able to get the certificate. Yeah, thank you, Ramesh sir. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
So I think आप लोगों ने certificate link copy कर लिया होगा and you're getting the certificate. Now I'm going to close the session. If any participant has the problem, can tell me. Yeah, okay then. Thank you.